Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and this is the creator combo. I'm going to show you everything that comes in this box, and I've been looking for a really good travel vlogging camera, and I heard about this one. I mean, this is not really new. It's been out for like a year and a half, but a lot of people love this camera, and so I'm going to do an unboxing. DJI is not sponsoring me at all. I did buy this with my own money, but I will have an affiliate link down in the description in case you want to pick this up as well. Let's get into it. All right, so this is the creator combo, and so it comes with a variety of different things. Here are some specs. It's a 1-inch CMOS sensor, so you can do 4K video up to 120, which is pretty good. It has full pixel fast focusing. The rotating screen is awesome. You can film in D-Log-M at 10-bit, which is insane. So you can really do a really good color profile if you're into cinematic filming. But you could also just film it on auto and it'll look just really great. But some people really love to color grade their photo or their video. And so that's where you would want to use the D-Log. And then the axis gimbal is really nice to give you a nice stabilization, and then there's an onboard stereo recording as well. But the creator combo also comes with a microphone, like a lapel mic. So this is still in its wrapper on the box here, and my fingernails are not very long. Super excited for this camera, really excited. So it comes with instructions, a lot of different instructions, some DJI stickers. This, I believe, is going to be the case. Yep. So this is a little protective case. Now, what I might do is remove this so everything's a little easier to see. And now we have a big case that holds all of your stuff in it. And even this case right here is not really big. Nice. Okay. What do we got here? Nice. So this is the extra battery that comes with it. And then you would plug in your USB-C here to charge this battery. And then on the bottom is where you can plug this in to your, like a tripod or something like that. And then this goes to the bottom of the camera. Take that off, and here's your this button is for the release, and so it'll release this from the camera. Also, I'll show you this in a minute, but this also extends the grip on the camera. And here's the little microphone. Here is a little wide angle lens that comes with it. A little dead cat. And a little wristband. Dead cat for the microphone. So you'd put this on the mic if it's windy outside, so cut down any wind. A little handle, you can attach that to the camera. Comes with a USB-C cable. It comes with another extender. This is just an extender attachment. It is not a battery. This just allows you to extend the camera, and then it has the 1/4-inch thread so you can put this on a tripod as well. This is the little mini tripod. Really cool, which is nice. And then here we go. This is the DJI Osmo 3 camera as it is. The whole thing right there, like it's very small. Like it is very small. And then so if you want to extend the grip, because normally you would charge it on the bottom here. But then when you extend the grip here, like this clicks in place. And then now to charge it, you would charge on the back here. That way, if you have this attached to a tripod, you can still charge it if you want. And it also extends the grip. It makes it a lot easier to hold. Pretty cool. And then to turn it on, you can just rotate it like this. And then that turns it on. And then you're going to have to, the first time you turn it on, you're going to have to go through some little things here. And now we need to activate it. So let me get my phone and we're going to activate this. I probably won't show too much of this. It's very self-explanatory. There is an app called DJI Mimo. And so we want to open that up. I already have it downloaded. And so we're going to connect to our device. I found my Pocket 3 right there. Connect. And then that's the code right there, so it matches. Accept. Agree. Well, now we got to log in. And I'm going to go ahead and do that later just for the sake of time. So I'm going to swipe this to skip. And now we can do, if we want to do a playback of the videos that we film, we just swipe that and there's no SD card in there. One thing I want to mention is this does not come with an SD card, micro SD, so you need to purchase one yourself. And then there is the SD slot right here on the edge here. We'll just put that in. And now if we want to change some things to the right, we just swipe right, and then we can change some effects here. Glamour effect is off, image adjust. We have it at default, but you can change that if you want. Like some custom things you can do, sharpness, noise reduction. I'm just gonna leave it on default for now. Glamour, we can connect it to that app and look at the glamour effects. I'm gonna turn that off. And then if we want to switch from recording mode, we can go to photo, panorama, video, low light mode, slow motion, time lapse. And then if we want to rotate this towards me, I'm going to click it, I think it's 3 times. And now it is facing me. You can see me down there. Twice recenters the gimbal. 3 times does that. Okay. And then to record, you just hit this green little button right here, the red record button. And if you need to adjust for exposure, you can just swipe to the right and adjust for the exposure a little bit, which is really cool. And you can also move the gimbal head with this little joystick. Up and down. Tilting it up, pretty cool. So far this is awesome. You can also, if you want to do a quick gimbal, you can just push this little button in the corner and it will turn the gimbal around to the other side, which is really nice if you don't want to do the 3-button push. All right, to change the resolution recording settings, you just swipe up from the bottom and then we can change it. I'm going to do you can change the frame rate. You can go up to 60 right here, 4K, 60 for maybe some fast speed action shots, something like that, whatever you want to do. So that's where you change it. And then it'll show you what you're doing right there. And then if you want to record in profile mode for like a short, or you just flip it like that and then hit continue. And now we can switch, now we can film this way. Pretty cool. and then turn it off. You just flip the screen like that and it'll power down. You can also just hold the button and it'll power down as well. And then you can just screw this on like that, and you got yourself a little tripod. You push this button to release that little handle. You can put the battery on. And then I want to note, you can charge this battery separately. You could also charge it while it's connected to this, and then it will charge both the gimbal part and the battery together. And then I want to note that there is no little power brick that comes with this, so you'll need a power brick separately, and you can just buy that online or just use one that you have for your phone or something like that. Well, there you have it. That is a first look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. I'm excited to put this through the ringer and test it, all kinds of footage and things like that. Maybe compare it to my iPhone 16 Pro, and then I'll probably put out a video later that compares the two footage. And there we go. Super excited to have this and to use it. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, happy traveling, everyone. Take care.